boom, from a city face and advice. I don't know, say I want ShamDon. I'll back again with another weekly vlog. But no, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw the little commotion last week. But you can't keep a good man. Always keep a smile when they want you to. Uja bless, I say no man curse. Go ahead. That's it, girl. Come on from page. Move and go. And go. I move and go. Why mommy I laugh? No, but like it's true. If you don't know what happened, like this girl, I mean a girl, I don't care if it's a big listen, I don't have no respect for you lady. Because you come and you talk out of your ass, I would respect you much more if you just said it as the hater that you were instead of, oh I like you, that's why I'm telling you. Me don't need your love, me don't need your like, you can't keep it disrespectfully. I don't care for it. And I think sometimes, and I'm being so serious right now, I think sometimes if I get that, you guys forget that I am very feisty. Like, I do my best to keep things together, keep it cute, because at the end of the day, you understand, but at the end of the day, I still night, and I am still shammy, and I still did ban with 3 gaps in my mouth. If you know what that mean, you know what that mean. So, if we not try for, I can go there. I just choose not to. Because I'm come and laugh all the time. I'm a goofy. I'm a this, I'm a that. One of the things on the can just. But this is not that, and it never will be. And I just needed to understand that. The part that pissed me off the most is when she said, "I come on here, I'm gonna do whatever, and then I stumble over my words or buckle over my words." So tell me, oh man. Every school I'm going in my lifetime I graduate, I'm gonna do well. Don't disrespect me. I'm very articulate. Don't try that right so. When the other people they're on them channel and them a box shuffle and them a say foolishness on the door, go on the door, send on to them, so don't come try stop right here so. Alright. I come in with my piece and eat because you don't see me much, but me I come right now. Me not have the big house yet. Me not have the most lavish life yet, and I will not come on Vybz Kartel's internet and act like I do. I'm not gonna put my hat where I can't reach it just because that's what some people want to see. I'm not gonna say everybody, but that's what some people want to see. When only tune into people when you feel like say them pocket are overflow and them living a. If I did have ceiling to floor glass behind me every time, I start my video no matter if I the same spot I stand up in for the whole video under watch because I say yeah. Me not have it, I'm not gonna pretend like I have it for please social media. Never was that, never will be that. If I have it, on a seat. If I don't, I don't. I'm not gonna so, and this is for everybody who agree with the lady. Draw near. If my content is not for you, come off of the video. You don't have to watch it, because if you continue and you don't like it, you're a monitoring spirit, and I don't need that around here. If a 500 people are gonna watch a video them, me and 500 people them will rock. Nobody never come, I never put a gun to your head, I never say watch my video, you don't have to. So come off. Okay, so today we're doing a day in my life. Mega Azan, Mega try the hamtastic. My watch what I get for my birthday, I need to go resize it, and I need to find pear. I've been craving avocado toast for like about a month now, and I just cannot find a pear nowhere. So I'm gonna see if I can find that, and we'll see where the day takes us. Let me show you guys today's outfit of the day. So I'm wearing, I don't know, I love them active wear top here. I got this from Shein. I need to go buy it in every color. I have 3 colors currently, and then I have some other one will stay like this, but it have some white something, man. It have mark athletic. I don't really mess with that one because that definitely for wear go gym. But it's the same texture, really love it. But yeah, I'm wearing this activewear type top and this sweatpants. It have something on the bottom, but I really love that part there, but I like it. It has like a little drawstring down here, so I like it vibe. And of course my road bag. So that's the errands, the outfit I guess. And my mother says she won't have a word with you.
Yes. Good morning, lovely people. I'm upset.
There you go, sweetie. Thank you.
Because one of the things that was said, you're gonna make all these comments and then you are gonna say, I love you because I love you. That's why I'm telling you. Nobody love over here, so go somewhere where you love, but gonna move and go. Move and go because I'm not entitled for showing nothing. And if you don't like what she has show you, scroll along up on somebody else. So take up a camera and wanna see how hard I work. I work as
It's the same. I feel like them.
Yeah.
But put some effort. Hey. Here that him have right there, so or a mango.
A mango him have. Enough to move. Move, man. Enough is enough.
First stop, probably can't see me because the sun. Get the watch, the link to go to the watch. It actually come with like, I can't hear me. It don't make no sense. It come with one of the detachable link them, but me and Marga. So I take out that and it's still, some links still need to come out, so I gotta take it out. Now this is what it's looking like after I remove the link them, but when I remove, well, my hand small, you know, my hand very maga. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of making put him back down at the big link them, there's this other link we come with it, so I'm just gonna attach it back. This out for cut off my circulation. And it look it cute, but this. It's like another latch. Then put on it. Ah! What? Maga man. Cha.
It will grow into it.
I want to watch it. Someone buy me one Mavado from.
That's why you don't wear it regular?
No, I wear it every time I go road. But
what happened?
If me not growing at that, me not growing at no more watch. Cause that did it take it close but it not tight.
Well, I saw this watch and I loved it. I love it too. And I'm saying,
Mommy has taste.
Them take out one link for it and I say, alright then the other one can. If anything she can just take out the other two. But she said take out her for circulation, so yeah, I wear it, so I love it.
If my mother take me, I just take the cut off circulation. Cause I mean it not. When I like how it hanged up. You know what? Drip is life. I gotta take you out.
Girl don't know what she want.
No man, the other one tight man. But
when you put on more, little more, you
me can't put him back there.
Yeah.
I forgot my man for that shoulder box here. It's the next problem now. Can I get it? In fact, if I put it on my hand, where I go now? Wait, no, I have to learn because most of the
most of the time, you want yeah. No, you cut off her circulation, she does extra.
Because I can't turn my hand freely, you know. Like when I turn my hand, I feel it. Yeah.
She does extra.
I mean, it's cute. Boy, you know, say at Christmas when I can't ever reach inside a Fontana. But really and truly still, Fontana always full. I don't know what it is, but it just always full. All when you don't really see like nobody I do not. You will see the parking lot full like you go in a Fontana. Watch a look behind me. And you don't see nobody really in there, but in here just full. I don't know why. But yeah. Well, me that go inside and go underneath the umbrella them go try the stuff, but the traffic is too high. I get shy when people look at me. I know for sure she don't like watch when people watch her eat.
No.
She hide out the camera, so just imagine.
So
3:30. Let's see how long it takes me to reach another drive-through. That took me 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And look, this is ridiculous. And I'm not even really there in the line for real. I'm just at enter. Yeah, I feel like Christmas spirit, mommy.
not really.
I mean, not really.
Not really. I don't know why. Yeah.
Me either, so I can't even say
yeah, me I try, but me not really. Yeah.
But we're gonna try.
We're gonna try
even harder with this hamtastic. And little disclaimer before we get into it. You know, probably feel like say, my hard for please. Mama just do this. I grew up with a mother who can cook really good.
Aww, thank you.
No, but mommy can really cook. So I feel like me not used to mediocrity. From me a little opinion, me not used to mediocrity. So sometimes when I see some people like hype up some things, it's like, oh, but this normal because that's what I'm used to. I'm used to above average food. So maybe that is why I come down so hard on things. But for the Cafe Blue Eggnog for sure, I genuinely don't think say it's as good as, I don't know, it just,
yeah, I just think I like little milk mixed up with, yeah. So what you get from that? We're gonna come out the road and we're gonna say alright then, and
yeah, expect say this I got top when you get here and then it doesn't, it's like, oh, but this just normal or this not.
Yeah.
So that's my reasoning. I'm not used to mediocrity.
Yeah, so don't come down hard on us and tell them hard for please. I'm not really
Yeah,
hard
for
please.
please.
You
It's
know?
just,
Yeah.
me used to a certain standard, so you can't go below that. You have to either match it or top it. Clock it. So delightful. Let it snow. Let it snow. Wait up.
Dave, fantastic and spicy, fantastic.
Yeah, no tomato for both.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Can you come along?
Alright, thanks.
You're the next bad one, yeah? The most wonderful time of
Of Christmas is long ago. It's time! They want some short, dry,
Oh, you know which one is which one?
I don't know, we are trying two of them. They're not giving us try.
Yeah, let's try
Oh,
them.
we're gonna both try them and rate them 1 through 10. My prayer, anyone who may end up with me actually like it. Smell good. Let me see.
Why do you smell food? You
Smell good, me
you
smell
can't
it.
see the almond here. You can't
The
just,
two of them have
yeah.
that are chicken one. This
smell
one.
good. I smell it and I'm not put on my nose on it. That's what I meant.
It smells good. So you want to try the chicken one first?
Oh. Nice.
You want to try the chicken one first? Come, cheers. Cheers.
I'll eat
Boy,
it
this
every
is
day.
juicy and nice. I don't even know which part to take it first. Bye. Woo! Juicy.
This is nice.
Juicy.
So which one?
The beef.
Love it to them. Me love it to them.
Two of them taste good.
Me love both. Them taste nice. The arm is amin.
And then put like honey pan.
Yes, Christmas in there. This is so good.
Woo.
Wendy's,
When you never steer me wrong with that one yet.
Wendy's, you're gonna lead with that one, yeah. Run come over Wendy's to that one. Hey, Wendy's, you lose with that one, yeah.
A long time I didn't eat something nice, so. From my fast food.
The beef have a little edge still. Notice it. Since we taste about this, the beef,
I kick the
beef-
beef classic one
the beef,
and the juice in the
beef, and the, what them nice thing about the beef have an edge. Woo, woo.
20 thumbs up. Oh my god, I have a little spice to it. Oh!
It's nice. Lovely.
Oh. Where was I all along? I've
Wendy's
been
never came for
delivered.
this.
I've seen the light. Mighty God.
Yes, it's true.
We need some privacy for that one, yeah. Yeah, mommy down to last, but
That's the people. The Wendy's song is look like a real It
I don't give it 10 minutes.
is from beginning to end. It's I pay that to the pan. The sandwich nice, you're fat. It's really nice. Body. We not like, we not cap on that one. When them say cap in, we not cap. Show thing we are telling you.
I remember the first day night bag. Chicken one bad, you know.
But the beef
chicken
one bad.
Bad, but you see the DF classic one?
Yeah. Nice, sir.
Woo! Woo! I forgot I didn't go find one mat because mommy go town one day and she never find none.
So like time I could never none of them dead in people circumstance me have to left out.
Oh yeah, down there they don't move crazy.
Yeah.
People died and the full work, so she don't
never got fear. People are pepper spray in the place. I'm going in nearly up myself. Somebody just left the place. Youngest I never for me.
So I got on Azan Street, open the traffic not terrible. Belly full, me feel good, that tastes good! Why? I believe so Azan have extra parking and it was still a struggle to get parking. That's why I'm not come down here, really and truly. That's why I'm not venture. Down this side. But we are here. And we're gonna go find a mat for the living room now. I'm aware they will also have Christmas stuff, some unique Christmas stuff that I've never seen before. And I'm gonna cut my eye past them. I saw close Pegasus right here, so. Oh. Wait, from going on here, I'm gonna get up. I lie. I did get up one time. You see me, so I'm coming here from my time switch family. I'm a Christmas decoration done put up. I'm at the road, yeah. Get me out of here, over there. She's just as bad as me. I try to lure my back in. I'm not to come in here for buy. I'm not to come.
Just looking, what are you looking? Just okay.
Come on, and pick me. They sell them something that little pretty. No, I have to keep on a discreet because I don't want somebody come touch me on my shoulder and say, "Ah, Mr. Carey, card in here." Because for them style that. Come, mommy. Mommy, come. Put it down and come. Let's go. Watch it. Come, that way, yeah. It's like a kid in a candy store. Where should they?
I'm looking to find a mat first.
They remember about her hand mixer now. She should make her cake now. She remember about hand mixer. Eh? You don't have to say for yourself. No. You say, well, I'm up with me. Well, I never know. Nobody not going to bully me. Somebody didn't know. Oh, so one you may attack. This is what we came for. Mr. Guys, I'm going to get discount. I don't even know if I discount. But I'm telling myself 10,000 add for the mat. So I'm fine. I mean, I don't love it, but at this point, we don't really have much of a choice. So we get that one. Them tell us 10,000 feet. I'm going to cash it into 6,000. You know if I got back bust? My dear. So I go home. It was a successful day. My belly full, my happy. Everything in the world is right. And just. Yeah. It looks like my craving is about to finally be satisfied because we seem to have found pear. Yay! Hallelujah. And if I'm not pear, she find planting. And if I'm not planting, she find breadfruit. And any one of them there, me alright with it. Thank God. Yay! Finally! Whoa! How much I get one for?
First him say I change a lot for one and then I say I gotta look at my find one other one. I just done the money. So I find that one here too. Cause them really them overripe with all of them.
Oh,
yeah,
and
so
them in a shoes and I sell for 2,000 odd.
What?
Why I think we never buy it in there?
You're crazy.
Yeah.
No.
Back home. No, I'm not for showing the back of my Christmas tree because it's very much unclothed. Things around there, but it don't look like a front. I get the pair of them, so I'm gonna make my guacamole in a few. Not right now. I just eat my fries them from the Fantastic, yeah. Remember when somebody did want to taste the linger in my mouth, I didn't mean it. So, I so did that. But let me know if you guys start doing a Christmas gift shopping as yet. I only bought one gift so far. I should have bought the others from in the week. Honestly, I just do it tonight and I'm like, I will heap of money. I'm just, I never really feel it come out of my account. So, I gotta do my rest of Christmas gift shopping, but I don't know if I'm gonna start or if I'm gonna buy gift any at all this year. Yeah, I feel a little, sleepy, like I have the itis, but we'll see. This Monday morning, I just come back for showing us and put on one wig for mommy. I'm gonna do our makeup. Go there, go Carol service. But yeah, I carry her now because she's kind of late. So yeah, cutesy. Hi, I know I said the vlog was supposed to be a day in my life, and it's actually Monday morning. But I'm gonna go ahead and close it out here. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Here doing work, so yeah. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog, which will be next week Monday, so I can circle my back. Watch Reddit. All right, bye. Mwah. Have a good week.